Let's draw a beautiful and cheerful budgie together. In this detailed tutorial, I'll guide you step by step to create a lifelike budgie. By the end of this video, you'll have your own masterpiece to be proud of. And don't forget, you can find my exclusive coloring pages through the link in the description. Right now, there's a special collection featuring adorable cats. But by the time you watch this, you might find birds, parrots, and even more themes available. Check back often to discover new and exciting designs. But that's not all. For those who prefer to take their time, you can visit my website where I've prepared a full text-based guide. It includes all the steps along with clear, high-quality images so you can scroll through at your own pace. No need to pause and rewind. Just relax and follow along whenever you're ready. It's the perfect way to learn at your own speed and revisit the guide whenever you need inspiration. Let's start drawing. Start by lightly sketching two overlapping ovals. A smaller one for the head and a larger one for the body. These will be the base for the budgie's shape, so use light strokes as we'll refine these later. Now let's add the budgie's key features. Draw a small curved beak on the head, a round eye, and smooth lines for the wings. Sketch the beginnings of the tail and legs to give the budgie its structure. Refine the head by adding a slight curve for its distinctive shape. Don't forget to define the beak. Add details to make it look more realistic. Next, focus on the eye and the nose area, adding small details that bring the budgie to life. Moving on, sketch the neck and start forming the belly feathers. Draw the outline of the wings, paying attention to their curve, and then add layered, flowing feather details to make them look natural. Next, complete the back with a single line connecting it to the wings. Add overlapping feathers to the tail to create a layered effect. Draw the first leg, ensuring it grips a small branch, and outline the branch itself. Then, sketch the second leg to balance the budgie perfectly on its perch. To add personality, focus on the face. Include markings around the eyes and cheeks for character. Finally, sketch feather textures across the head, neck, and back. Add detailed patterns to the wings and tail. Now it's time to finish up. Carefully erase the light sketch lines from the first steps. If you prefer, you can ink the drawing for a polished look. Simply outline your sketch with a pen or ink and let it dry before erasing the pencil lines. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment sharing your creation. Be sure to visit my website to explore the full guide with detailed steps and images. It's a great way to learn at your own pace. And while you're there, don't miss my exclusive coloring pages. Right now, you'll find adorable cats, but keep an eye out for birds, parrots, and even more themes in the future. Let's keep drawing together.